Everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. Recently I visited Sarvana stores in Chennai. I wanted to purchase a few utensils for my kitchen. It has a huge collection of all varieties of steel items and also plastic items. I just took some clippings from there. These are the little part of the store and let's see what are the items I purchased from there. Most useful kitchen item is the pressure cooker. I wanted to have a small size one. So this is the steel pressure cooker from the Prestige brand. And I like the size and shape of this pressure cooker. I am so excited to use this one in my kitchen. This is a stainless steel bowl from Prabha brand. This is a tri-ply stainless steel. It is very thick. I want to use this bowl to cook the oats or any vegetables. Because of its heaviness, it won't be burnt. Came along with the plate on it. One strainer from the steel shop. A small steel kadai 10-inch one. I am looking for this kind of kadai from a long time and it has thick bottom. This is so useful to fry anything in a small quantity like for any chutney. This is a small iron kadai. I want to use it for deep frying. This is also heavy. It is around 1 kg of weight. Also purchase brass puja dhoop holder. This is right size. I want to use it for giving aarti at the puja time. This is a small steel box to keep any items like ghee or something. This is a stainless steel stackable insert pans. We can use this one inside the pressure cooker or instant pot. It is useful to pressure cook the items, 2 items at a time. It is 3 liters one. I also purchased Prestige non-stick ape pan. By using this we can make 12 paniyarams at a time. I also have the cast iron one but I want to use them together. We can also purchase the extra mixie jars so that we can use it for our mixies. The few kitchen items I purchased from India. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.